Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown for use with a PIR mount in the rear of a Chrysler Pacifica. So you'll notice here that we have very minimal modification to the Chrysler Pacifica, and most importantly, we've got full use of the rear seats. So I've got the cordless multi-lift in my hand here. I'm going to set it on the pins. There's a safety pin right here that does need to be put in place whenever you're using the lift. That's easily put in place. And we've got a variety of docking devices that will fit on practically every wheelchair made. Our next step here is going to be to lower the lift, connect it. Now the same multi-lift that you're seeing here can be used to lift you into your vehicle. And in fact, even in the same vehicle, front or rear position, you can use it in hot tubs, swimming pools, RVs, your home, get you in and out of your bathtub, in and out of your bedroom. The possibilities are just absolutely amazing. You name it. If you need to do a lift or a transfer, the multi-lift is probably going to be your best way to get in there. So once we've got this fully raised, we're going to rotate it in. Great thing about this modification is that we have not drilled a single hole in the vehicle. We do provide a sill plate, which is a Chrysler sill plate for you, so that there's a little modification to the sill plate, and that way you can simply replace the sill plate with the original one when you go to sell your vehicle. Once we're inside here, we set down. Now, here's another great part of the multi-lift system here. Because we have an articulation right here, you can actually put the wheelchair over here or on the right side or in the middle, depending on what you're looking for. So a lot of people that do want to keep one seat here, you can bring the lift over here. You simply lift it up. And if you want to go a little farther this way, you move it this way. If you want to go the other way, you pull it back. So here we're happy with it in the middle. Now you'll notice that we've got some tie-down belts here. These are not designed as crash-tested belts, or certainly for occupancy or anything like that. They're just to keep the wheelchair from moving around too much while you're driving. So I'm going to hook up my belts here. Tighten them up a little bit. And we're ready to hit the road. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you should have mobility in the way that you want, in the vehicle that you want, at a reasonable price. If you like what you see here, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word. Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. Follow us on Twitter at AccessUN. You can also find us on YouTube with over 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. To contact us, check out our website at www.accessunlimited.com. Click on Contact, or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 607-669-4822, country code 1, Eastern Standard Time in the United States. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video here. There are lots of other videos in the detail videos in the notes field down below, so do make sure to check those out, because they'll give you lots more information about how the mounting system works and different seat configurations and different things you can do. Thank you very much, and have a great day.